Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn on 4G on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're dealing with slow internet or just switching networks, getting 4G enabled is a game changer for faster speeds and smoother browsing. Let's dive right in and make this super easy for you. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Head to Settings, then go to General and tap Software Update. If there's an update available, install it to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're all set, open the Settings app from your home screen. It's the icon that looks like a gear. Scroll down until you find Cellular or Mobile Data and tap on it. This is where all your mobile network settings are managed. Next, inside the Cellular menu, look for Cellular Data Options and select it. Here, you'll see various preferences for your data connection. Now, tap on Voice and Data. You'll be presented with options like 5G Auto, 5G On, or 4G. For this step, choose 4G from the list. In 2025, iOS might have slight variations, but selecting 4G should prioritize that network for your calls and data. Give it a moment to apply the changes. Your iPhone might reconnect to the network automatically. To verify everything's working, glance at the top of your screen. You should see 4G next to your signal bars. Test it out by opening a web browser or streaming a video to ensure the speeds are improved. If 4G doesn't show up, don't worry. Check your carrier settings by going to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, install it. Also, make sure you're in an area with good coverage and that your plan supports 4G. A quick restart of your iPhone can often fix glitches. Just hold the side button and a volume button until the power off slider appears. There you have it, you've now turned on 4G on your iPhone, making your mobile experience faster and more reliable. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.